each of these presentations, we'll be highlighting a different section of the Test Item Checklist, or TIC. That's the instrument we created to help you evaluate multiple choice test items.
We will do this by providing an example of a test item that has failed each of the criteria on our test item checklist, as well as an example where we have fixed this problem. Feel free to pause the video at any point to study an item more closely, or you can download the entire document, which includes all of our examples.
In this video, we'll be looking at the evaluation criteria that relate to the options of a multiple choice test item.
The term options refers to the answer choices in a multiple choice test item. This includes one correct answer and several other incorrect answers, also called distractors.
This example fails at criterion O1, one and only one correct answer. It fails because the phase of the lunar cycle known as last quarter is synonymous with the phase known as third quarter. So it has two correct answers.
This example was improved by replacing one of the two possibly correct answers with one incorrect answer choice.
This example also fails at criterion O1, one and only one correct answer. It fails because while the test writer might have been looking for mammals as a correct answer, mammals is a subcategory of chordates, so there are two possible correct answers.
This example was improved by replacing one of the two correct options with an incorrect option. Another idea for fixing this stem would be to ask, which of the following is the smallest taxonomic group into which domestic dogs could be classified?
This example fails at criterion O2, parallel in kind. It fails because not all the options are the same kind of thing, rock type. This kind of problem can arise when we have fewer categories than options. A common and unacceptable fix is to use none of the above.
The best way to improve a question with this particular flaw, as was done in our example, is to approach the content from the other direction. Another idea, in cases similar to this, is to use a format other than multiple choice.
This example fails at criterion O3, parallel in length. It fails because one of the options, the correct answer, is noticeably longer than the rest. This can often happen because the test writer will spend more time on the correct option than the others.
This example is improved in that now all of our answer choices are relatively similar in length.
This example fails at criterion O4, parallel in complexity. It fails because one of the options, the correct answer in fact, is written at a level of complexity far above the others. Notice how primary consumer stands out among the other options.
This example is improved in that now all of our answer choices are written to the same level of complexity.
This example fails at criterion O5, all options logical. In this example of the numerical options, one of them falls outside the range of logical possibility. The last option would require the bowling ball to fall up, a logical impossibility.
This example is improved in that now all of the options are within the limits of logical possibility.
This example fails at criterion O6, all options unique. Because of the limited data set, this limited the number of possible comparisons, so the test writer had to repeat options. Notice how C is just a restatement of B.
This example is improved by increasing the number of data and by rephrasing the question to allow for more possibilities.
This example fails at criterion O7, avoids repeated verbiage. Notice how every one of the options here has the same repeated verbiage. There's no need to make the test taker read through the words, a change in is exhibited by the substance 4 times when the only distinction between those 4 options is the property being examined.
This example is improved in that the verbiage, which was previously repeated in all 4 answer choices, has been moved to the stem.
That's all for the options portion of the test item checklist. In the next video, we'll be looking at the portion of the TIC that examines graphics.